Welcome, today we're going to show you how to compete and play against your friends in Subway Surface. So to do that, you need to actually install the game, and after that you need to have a Facebook account or Google Play account that you actually added your friends on. So first you need to open Facebook and add your friends on Facebook account or Google Play. After that, open Subway Surface, I'll see from here. So now you need to actually open the settings on the top right corner. I'll see from here. And you need to connect your Facebook or Google Play account. I'll see from here. I will connect Facebook. So I'll see from here I have connected my Facebook account successfully. So now you need to go back and click on Let's Go and start playing. I'll see from here. So tap to play, and now you will see your friend's score on the top right as you play. So when you reach a friend score, it will tell you now you can actually finish his score or finish more than his score to actually play against him and compete against him to get a better score. So that's actually how you play against your friends on Subway Surface. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.